Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for Circle Time today. Sorry we can't be together, but today I'm going to record the Circle Time so you can watch it when you'd like, but tomorrow we're going to be Zooming. So I hope you can join us for it. If not, you can go ahead and watch it online on the YouTube channel, just like you're going to watch this one. So let's go ahead and get started like we always do and stand up and say our Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hand is on our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and there it is right there on our screen, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Take that hand off your heart, put it up to your side, and we're going to say our school pledge. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. Today is the 14th day of December. Getting closer to that tree. Let's see our pattern. We'll figure out what goes here. Say it with me. Are you ready? Stocking, stocking, reindeer, reindeer. Stocking, stocking, reindeer, reindeer. Stocking, stocking, reindeer, reindeer. Stocking, stocking. All right. Let's keep on going. Oh, you know what I forgot? Our Days of the Week song. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Here we go. Got to figure out what day of the week it is. We know it's the 14th with a stocking. Days of the week. Clapping those hands. Days of the week. Snapping those fingers. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. And a clap. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 You sing it.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday.
And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right, and today is Monday, December 14th, 2020. Whoop. I like that song, but we're not singing it now. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is rainy outside today. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? I hear sunny with some clouds. I agree. Sunny with some clouds. It could definitely be. I'm ready for some snow. All right, let's go ahead and say our alphabet together. Everybody's saying it. Let me hear you. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. All right, we're going to count to 20. Lift those arms up and give them a shake, 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 shake. Wiggle those fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Touch your nose. Touch your head. Touch your ears. Hands in your lap. Ready? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! That's good counting. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! these letters, what color are they? Watch. I'll make them disappear. Whoa. What color is this? It is white. And the only reason you can see the white is because I have this black circle behind it. White is that color. How about this color? Gray. Can you tell me some things that are gray? Elephants, yes. And the wolf. How about here? What color is this? Orange. And what do we see that's orange? Yes, carrots. And the fish, just like in the classroom. What is this color? Black. How about this one? Brown. What's something that's brown? Chocolate. Gingerbread, the cookie, the gingerbread man. The peanut. Pennies. And what are those things again? Coconuts. Good job. All right, what color is this? Pink. This one? Red. And what is our emotion here? Anger. Good job. We are really on it today. What color is this? Green. And what emotion? That's right, disgust. Can you tell me anybody else's name? Do you remember this guy's name? Hermit. That's great. How about here? Purple. And what emotion? Fear. Yes. How about this one? Yellow. And this emotion is joy. Excellent. How about this color? Blue. What emotion is this? Sadness. All right, looking at some shapes. Put your finger on the octagon. Where is the octagon? Put your finger on it. If you're putting your finger right here, you are correct. What color is this octagon? Purple. One more. Let's see if you can find the rectangle. Where is the rectangle? Put your finger on it. Did you find it? It's right here. What color is our rectangle? Blue. Yes, excellent. Our nursery rhyme this week is There Was an Old Woman Who Lived in a Shoe. And it goes like this. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth with plenty of bread. She kissed them all fondly and sent them to bed. Let's take a look at a video about the little old woman who lived in a shoe.
Old woman who lived in a shoe.
And they act it out. Let's see how they act out this nursery rhyme.
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth and a big slice of bread, kissed them all soundly, and sent them to bed.
See, they acted out the nursery rhyme. They pretended they were the kids and the mom. That looks like fun. I think it looks like fun living in a shoe. What do you think? Would you want to live in a shoe? This shoe looks like fun. Look, they have the lace to slide down, and they have the tongue of the shoe as a slide, and the door coming out. All right. We're working on our letters this week. We've already worked on this letter. What is this letter? L. Good job. What is this letter? It was last week's letter, F. And what does F say? Super. How about this letter? Do you know this one? This is our letter this week. It might be in your name. It is the letter E. And E says like in eggs, eggplants, Elastigirl, and elephant. They all start with the letter E. The letter E is made with a big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. All right. Let's go ahead and sing about where we start those letters. Ready to sing with me? My internet wants to. Here it goes. Where do you start your letters at the top? You should be standing. Where do you start your letters at the top? Lift it up. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Lift it up. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Reach up. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Here we go. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go, going down. Here's the bottom, touching the bottom. Make it in the middle. Up we go. Reach up top. Ready? Here we go. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Ready, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Bottom. Shake it. Up. Down. Shake it. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Up. Down. Shake it. Up we go. Top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Excellent. All right. So what we need is our pieces. They were sent home with you to be able to build with us. So you should have a Mr. Matt. You should have 3 little lines and 1 big line. If you need to get those out, go ahead and do that now and pause the video. If you have them, well, let's keep on going. All your pieces should be at the top of your mat. So you're ready to build. So we're going to start off with our big line down. We put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Then we're going to grab a little line and put it at the top. Now we have that crazy upside down looking L. But let's grab another little line and put it in the middle. What letter did we make? We made the letter F. Is that our letter this week? No, it's not. So let's go ahead and grab another little line and put it at the bottom. Excellent. Look at my letter. What letter did we make? The letter E. What does E say? Excellent. All right. Mrs. Mozingo is going to build the letter. You're going to listen. All right. My turn. Your inside voices are off. Your listening ears are on and your hands are in your lap. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. Little line across the bottom. All right. One more time. My turn. Your inside voices are off. Your listening ears are on. Hands are in your lap. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. Little line across the bottom. All right. Your fingers on your mat at the top. I hope you said it. Ready? Here we go. Say it with me. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. Little line across the bottom. What letter did we make? E. And what does E say?